Hey,
Hey,
hi.
hi.
Okay, Dee and Dory here.
I'm Dory.
And I'm Dee, and we're the Design Dreamers. Of course, you knew that when you clicked on us. So,
Yes, today we're going to talk about one of our pleat challenges.
Yes.
Sent in by Becky W. Thank you very much. At first I was kind of not thinking I was going to like the pleats, but you'll see. Turned out good.
Yeah, it did. It turned out really nice.
So before we get started, let's start with the inspirational saying. This is by Viktor Frankl.
Okay, I have no idea who Viktor Frankl is.
He was an Australian, I knew I was going to say that, Austrian neurologist, psychiatrist, philosopher, and a Holocaust survivor.
Okay.
He was born in 1905 and died in 1997 at the age of 92.
Oh, wow.
He had heart failure.
Okay.
And he was an avid mountain climber until he was age 80.
Wow.
In fact,
Good for him.
3 of the difficult trails in the Austrian Alps are named after him. So I thought that was pretty cool.
Very
Being
good.
a mountain climber when you're 80.
Yeah,
You
that's
go.
good.
Yeah.
Gotta
Yeah.
keep moving.
Yes.
That's my mantra. Gotta keep moving.
So let's see what he had to say. When we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves. Now,
Oh, that is
through
true.
his experiences in life, I can see why he would say that.
Yeah,
Right? He was not in control of a lot of his situation.
that's true.
So,
Just like a lot of us, we are not in control of
Right.
our
of
situations.
everything.
And so, some people run away from their situations, but he was in areas and some that he couldn't run away from.
Yeah.
And so you need to adapt or change yourself. You need to make the best of it, I guess.
Yes.
So we have to change ourselves.
Yes.
Yeah, very good.
Yes. So let's look at one of our viewers' makes. This was sent in by Sherry. And Sherry made this cute little top. It's McCall's 6453.
It is cute. I love the fabric.
And she added the ruffle herself.
Very good idea.
Just to make it fun hem.
Yeah.
It's really cute.
So
It's a cute way to use that fabric.
It is. And I like it's on the diagonal.
Yeah.
I do like that.
Yes.
So cool.
So thank you very much from Sherry for
Yes.
sending that in.
Yeah, thank you.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah, it looks like a nice summer top.
Yeah.
It does. A fun one.
Yes. So, on to my pleat make. What?
No, I have that pattern.
Oh,
I did
do you
not.
have this pattern?
No.
So, I was starting with this skirt. New Look 6659. And I did not put the slit in it. But I just thought that was a cute skirt pattern.
It is
With
cute.
the pleats on the side
Yeah.
and everything. And this fabric that I have, I got at a thrift store, and I paid $5 for all the fabric that I used. Isn't it cute?
It's very cute.
I
With a
love it.
little
Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower, like you said, and the pretty flowers
pretty
on
flowers,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Just a fun fabric. So I had fun sewing it because the fabric was so fun.
Yeah, nice.
So I made the skirt, and I really didn't have any issues at all with it. Probably because I had made the top first. I thought, I'll make the top first because it'll be easier.
Was it?
No. So I made the top 6344, and I made view C.
That's the top I have a pattern of, this pattern.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So I did say I got the fabric for $5, right?
Yes, you did.
Okay. So this pattern is I circled the date. Oh, maybe not on this one I didn't.
Oh, I forgot to do that.
2015. This is a 2015 pattern. And I made UC because I thought it would look better with a little bit of sleeve on it. I made this in a size 16, and it fits really good. However, the directions for these pleats, I really had a hard time. Have you made this top? Do you know?
I don't think I have made it. No.
Okay. Because I had a hard time understanding the directions. So I called my sister and said, I don't understand these directions, and we're reading them, and she's like, I don't either. So we just did it the way we knew it should look. So I made the pleats the way I knew.
Yeah, and that's the way they look on the pattern.
Yeah. So that's how we ended up with the pleats. So I didn't hem this top until I made this skirt because I wanted to make sure that the length would be appropriate for the skirt. So I ended up cutting off 4.5 inches off the top so that it would go better with the skirt.
So it would be an appropriate length.
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
skirt.
because you wanted to see the pleats in the skirt.
Yeah, and it does make a difference, you know, where the line of the top falls
Yes.
to how the whole outfit looks.
Yes. So I did use 2 new look patterns and put them together to make an outfit. And this has an invisible zipper in it, which was very easy to put in. It was actually the easiest zipper I've ever put in.
Oh, really?
Yes, because they say don't make your seam first, put your zipper in and then make your seam.
Oh, really?
And it was perfect to do it that way. In fact, I saved those directions because I thought I'm going to do that from now on when I make have to put in an invisible zipper. I had seen it actually on YouTube, other people showing that that's how they do it, but I've always thought, well, I got to follow, you know, rule follower. Got to follow the directions. No, you don't. But this one actually said that's the way to put it in.
Huh,
And it works really good.
I'll have to look at those later to see
Yeah.
what it says.
Yeah. So those are the 2 patterns I used. That's
Then do you still use the invisible zipper foot?
I did, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now on the zipper that I used, it said you must use only a Coats and Clark's invisible zipper foot. Of course. I'm like,
If it's a zipper foot,
I know,
invisible
invisible zipper foot's invisible. So
yeah.
anyway, I ignored that because I wasn't going to go out and buy one. I have a perfectly fine one that came with my machine. So yeah, and the suggested fabrics is a cotton type, so that's why I thought this was a cotton type. And I believe this one also said
So were they both
Cotton
2015 patterns?
cotton type. Oh, the blouse was 2015.
Yeah,
so
what
the
was this one?
Skirt is 2020.
Okay. Because
So 5 years apart. Yeah. So would you like to see the reveals?
Yeah, I would.
Okay. I'm going to show you a couple of ways that I wear.
Okay.
Excuse me. So here is my skirt and top. I overachieved. Said to do pleats, I made a skirt and a top. So this skirt has got really cute pleats right here. And they're in the back too.
Nice.
And it has an invisible side zipper, which I have to say is pretty invisible.
Yeah, nice. Very nice.
So this is just a cute little summer outfit.
Pockets on both sides?
Pockets only on one side because you have a zipper on this side.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
So that's how it works. So here's another way you can wear the top of your pants. And you can see that this is my pleated top. It's pleat here and pleat here and here.
Looks nice. Cute.
It's got a little cuff on the sleeve.
Yeah.
Yep, and I'll just show you in the back. It's like, oh, I mean, I have a button right up.
You do. You do. Looks very nice. Are there any? Nope. It looks great.
Okay, now I'll show you a different way.
Okay. There you go.
So because it has black in it, I can throw on a black little top and wear a little skirt too. So this is just another look. I wanted to show you a different way to style it. And yeah. Okay, which side is the pocket? This side.
That's cute.
Yeah. So there we go. So
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very versatile. Versatile.
yeah,
Versatile.
yeah. I like the skirt a lot, and I like that it has at least one pocket. You know, that's cute.
Does the skirt sit at the waist?
It does.
Okay.
Yep, it sits at the waist.
Yeah. Good. Nice.
Yep. And the skirt I made in a 22 to get around the big belly. But the top I only made in a 16. And it fits perfectly fine. There's no, it's not too tight or anything. And I did
Yeah.
put little cuffs on it.
Yep, you did say that.
Which I'm not, it kind of shows that. I don't know if
That's
that's the
up there on
hem.
that one.
Is that a cuff or a hem?
Looks like a cup to me.
So I put cuffs on it, and I didn't understand those directions either, but I know how to make a cuff. Like,
But
okay.
you did it.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. So anyway, that's my pleated looks.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very good job. Yay!
Yay. So other than that, it's very humid today. I'm like, oh, so hot because it's humid.
She's sweating. I'm like, yeah, it's not bothering me.
She's like, oh, I'm cold.
I'm
Give me
gonna
a
need a
sweater.
sweater here pretty soon.
Yeah.
But anyway,
Different temperatures.
yes, we have. We run differently that way, with
Running.
temperature wise.
Yeah. So,
So,
anything
yeah.
else you'd like to speak about today?
No, not necessarily. Nene says hi. He's been enjoying the warmer weather, been out on the deck, and yeah, and we're having trouble with raccoons at my house.
Oh,
They've been tipping over I have a few pots at the end of the deck, and they're digging out everything that I put in them. I can wake up in the morning and they're tipped over. And
oh,
we have to put the bird feeders in every night because they'll reach up with one paw. We have one reach up with one paw. They hit the bird feeder, open their mouths, and in it goes.
they're so cute. They weren't
They
they
are
weren't so damaging. You know, they're just really cute.
Well, and they carry diseases too.
Mhm.
You know, so, and my husband said, was it a couple nights ago? He said he looked out there and there's 3 adult raccoons. He says, but they're bringing the babies now. I said, no.
Oh, dear.
They're coming from across the street.
Oh no.
And I said, we can't be having that.
And you know, if you capture them in a cage, you have to take them like over 20 miles away from your house, or they'll come right back.
How do they know the way back home?
They do.
How do they know? They have built-in
They do.
GPS.
Yeah. So.
Ugh. But anyway, they are cute, but they're not fearful of us either. And we have an outdoor cat, feral cat that we feed that we've had for years. And we have to put her food away at night too. They have not learned how to get into the little cupboard that we have out there to get into it yet, but they have tried. So anyway, that's our latest saga there.
Wow. I don't have a saga.
Okay.
Can't be anything interesting going on. So that's my life.
Oh.
I've just been sewing a lot lately.
Yeah, well, yeah, you're always busy though. You've got
Yes.
stuff going all
Yeah.
the time.
So
So
anyway, if you haven't subscribed, please hit subscribe.
yeah, hit subscribe, forward,
Yes.
like.
Don't forget that when we are no longer able to change a situation, we are challenged to change ourselves.
There you go.
So sometimes we need to make those changes.
And sometimes that's the hardest part of meeting a challenging situation is making that change.
Especially as you get older.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh well.
The old folks don't
Okay.
like to change so much. We're not in that category yet. Okay, so anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Have a great week.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy thrifting and happy sewing. Bye-bye.